Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export to PDF in Monday.com. In order to export to PDF in Monday.com, you will have to create a dashboard for it. So click Add Item to Workspace and click on Dashboard. Now name your dashboard, so New PDF Export. Choose if you want to be main privacy, so visible to everyone, or private. Click on Create Dashboard. Now search by board name if you want to connect boards to this dashboard in order to export them. So just click on it and press done. Now in order to have a visible export, you will have to add your widgets. So click on Add First Widget and click on Chart. Now add how many widgets do you want. So everything that you want to show in your export will be right here. So basically choose the things that you want to export. And then click on these three dots and simply you should find export button right here. Then click on export to PDF. If you want to portrait or landscape, just choose one. Or you can split PDF into pages just with this click of a button. You can scale it to fit the content on the PDF by 100%, 80% or 67%. Choose whichever you want and click on export. Now this may take a moment, but it will export your PDF. Just name your PDF, choose where you want to export it and click on save. So this is it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.